where you're learning to, what I'm looking for, and this is because. So today we're learning about locating different positions on maps, their directions and routes. What I'm looking for is key features on maps, good measuring skills, and using appropriate language. And this is important because it is key to understand position and directions for navigation in life. So, for example, you guys walk into school every day. So, if I we'll review what you probably learned last year in year 5. So, what is this? North. And what is this called? What is it usually a part of?
A compass.
A compass, yes. So, can I please have a volunteer that will come up and fill in the rest if they remember that acronym we went over last year? Can anyone tell me? Rachel?
Never eat soggy Weet-Bix.
Yes, and that's good. Very good for American too, because I know you have different ones, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
All right, do you want to come in and fill it in for me? So which direction do you go? Do you remember? Lovely. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Rachel. That's good. All right, now what we're missing is these ones in between. So they're a bit more difficult. Can anyone answer the ones that are in between here in the diagonals, in the other directions? Thank you, Eleanor. Next time, raise your hand when you come up, please. Keep going.
So maybe go the other way?
Yes, it does. You use the north-south orientation first, don't you guys?
Yes.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. I can remember from last lesson.
Yeah? Can you remember the other two as well? Yeah. Thank you. Alright, thank you, Eleanor. High five. Beauty. Isn't that lovely? Alright, so we got that sorted. So now we'll move on from there. It's good that you have a good foundation for orientation in maps. Alright, so now we're going to look at what is required to read a map. So can anyone tell me, when you look at a map, what do you see?
Country.
Countries?
Streets.
Streets, yeah.
Mountains.
Mountains.
Water.
Yeah.
Lights everywhere.
Nice. Beautiful. Alright, so what we see in a map, if we look at this, what can you see on here? Around the outside, what is that called?
A border.
A border, yes. So we're going to write down an acronym, and we'll slowly get there, alright? So we've got a B for border. Alright? Now, what we were doing with the compass, we'll find in directions, won't we? Yeah? So in other words, orientation. Do you know that word?
Yes.
That's appropriate language for this topic, so we'll touch on that here. Alright? Orientation's a good word. And down here, can you see what these are? It's quite small to see.
Key.
Key?
Legend.
Yes, the legend. Thank you, Rachel. And what else? What about down the bottom that kind of gives you an idea what the map is about in this vicinity?
A name.
A name, or more specific?
Title.
Title?
Heading.
Maybe a title?
Title.
Yeah.
Title.
So you're on the right track, yeah? And also we need to know the distance from here to here, but we need it to be to scale, don't we?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Otherwise we don't know how big anything is. So that's another one. And the source is who made the map. So in this case, National Geographic. I'm sure it's everyone's favourite channel, not Nickelodeon or Cartoon Network. So we have bold. So I'm sure you jotted that down in your book. So good job, guys. I see you working hard. Star card for everyone. Love to see it. Yeah, give yourself a round of applause. Good stuff. So now I'm just going to hand out some sheets, guys. It's a little activity. There you go. Thank you. There we go. Sorry, Kylie.
That's right.
I'll never forget you, don't worry. Alright, so what can you notice when you see this? What's the first thing you notice?
It's a map.
It's a map. Very nice, Lara. Very nice, it's true.
It's where we are right now.
It's where we are, yeah. It's our school, isn't it?
Yes.
Or in this case,
Yes.
university. What about maybe some things that's missing? Does that give you a hint?
Border.
Border?
A compass.
Compass, yes. So how do you know which way is north and which way is south?
I don't know. You don't.
You can't do. What else? What else maybe? So the source. What's the source of this map? Can you see?
Google.
Google, very nice. So we've done that. Source?
Doesn't have a title.
Doesn't have a title, does it? What else? From what's written down in your book, or refer to the board if you want to.
No border.
No border.
That O word.
O word.
I didn't write it down.
Orientation.
Oh, yeah.
Orientation. Don't have that either.
It's not a very good map.
No.
It's not accurate, is it? Maybe Dr. Serjak did that on purpose to throw you out. Alright? So we don't have a legend either. Alright? We don't have a legend.
No.
And we don't have a scale. So now what I'm going to get you to do is pull out your rulers. Everyone got a ruler?
No.
I'm glad you're having fun this lesson,
She
ladies and
forgot
gentlemen.
hers.
You forgot?
You're a dumber.
I saw her break
Come on,
it.
guys.
Thank you.
Right, that's enough laughter. Alright, so what we're going to do is from your ruler, you remember how to use your rulers from your other classes?
Don't hit other people.
Don't hit other people,
Don't break
that's
them
it.
like Lara did.
And don't break them like Lara.
That's it. Thank you. Alright, that's enough, guys. Settle down, please. Alright, so 1 centimetre on this ruler is going to signify 100 metres.
What side's
Yes,
a
Rachel?
centimetre again?
1 centimetre. So go from the start, see here? 1 centimetre.
Ah.
So draw a line 1 centimetre long on the bottom of your page, please. That's very pretty, Kylie. Very nice.
You, sir?
Yes. So now we know that 1 centimetre equals 100 metres. Make sure you write that. Eleanor, that's enough. I'm writing your name on the board. Too many distractions. Alright, thank you. Alright, next. Yes, Rachel.
Oh, nothing. Lara was doing something, kicking my chair.
I hate you.
Lara, we don't want any of that negative language. I'm going to have to speak to you after class as well. Thank you. Alright, next. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to start at the train station, North Wollongong train station. Do you want to point that out for me? It's got a big T and it says North Wollongong next to it.
I got it.
Got it? Alright. Now use your ruler and have a look at what direction you need to go to get along Northfields Avenue to the corner of Robson's Road and what orientation you're taking. So I'll start it off for you because this is what I'm looking for. So you can see on your map that this is North Wollongong Station. And you can see there's a little bit going south and then it trends this way, doesn't it? You can see on the map.